In the last video, I reviewed the Dollar Tree multi-purpose cleaning paste, and it exceeded my expectations in the kitchen. To learn more, check out the video here. But does it really work just as well in the bathroom? Today we are testing the multi-purpose cleaning paste in the bathroom to see if it can remove tub stains as promised. And I have to say, number 3 really impressed me. Keep on watching to find out more. Let's do this. I tried using the Dollar Tree multi-purpose cleaning paste on bathroom wall tiles. These tiles are super dirty out and need some touch of love, as you can see here. After cleaning it up, look at the before, see how cloudy these tiles are, and now the after. Huge difference. The paste worked well at removing soap scum and grime, leaving the tiles looking clean and shiny. So good. Look at that, y'all. Next is the bathroom sink. I used the paste to clean this bathroom sink and faucet, which had soap scum and hard water deposits.
If you're getting any value from this video, maybe hit that like button so the video may spread more people. Thank you for supporting my mom.
The paste did work great on the ceramic sink. It left it looking shiny and clean. Look at that. On the faucet though, it only cleaned out the soap scum or dirt there, but it did not remove the hot water buildup. Check this video out for a solution to that problem. Next, I tried the cleaning paste on this bathtub. Now, this is what I was talking about. This bathtub had some soap scum and grease buildup. Here, the dirt just cleaned up so easy. As you can see, I didn't have to use elbow grease at all. I like this. The transformation here is amazing. It blew my mind. Can I get a witness, y'all? Look at that. This is so good. The tub is sparkling clean. All the dirt is all gone. Look at the before and now the after. Amazing. Moving on to the stained toilet bowl. I put the cleaning paste to the test here. First and foremost, to thoroughly clean under the water line, pour water into the bowl. This will lower the water level and remove any distractions. Here, although the paste removes stains and bacteria, as you can see, it was ineffective against hard water stains. So I had to use a drywall screen cleaning tip to remove the hard watering, and the result was great. Overall, the paste works well if there is no hard watering present. Moving on, I also tested the cleaning paste on this glass shower door with a year's worth of hard water buildup. Here, I had to say I used a lot of elbow grease. Here, the cleaning paste couldn't remove all the hard water stains despite the effort, as you can see here. The paste is not suitable for long-term hard water build-up, but works for mild stains and regular maintenance cleaning. Check out this video for a more effective way on dealing with hard water stains on glass shower doors. The Dollar Tree multi-purpose cleaning paste is an impressive cleaning product for its price of $1.25, y'all. And it worked well in removing soap scum, grease and grime in most areas of the bathroom that I tested it on. However, it struggled with removing hard water stains or build-up. Overall, this cleaning paste is worth trying because of its multiple uses. Be on the lookout for part 3 of this video, where I will cover other areas around the house. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment if you have tried this product before. How did it work out for you? My job is done here. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.